Hi, my name's Ella and I'm running for the position of Green Officer.
Okay, and why do you think you'd be an excellent Green Officer?
I'm very dedicated to environmental issues. I'm currently helped to run the Environment Society, which involves organising lots of events and activities surrounding the environment.
And what ideas have you got to get more students involved in the SU?
So I'm currently in the process of organising an event which we're calling The Big Plant, which involves planting 420 trees at Leeson Animal Sanctuary. I'm receiving help from the SU to do this, and hopefully it'll be a great day for everyone.
Okay, and what would you like to change most about the university?
I'd love to see more green spaces and habitats for insects and mammals in and around the campus.